Welcome to your dream adventure in Japan, the land of the rising sun. Over the next 7 days and 8 nights, you'll experience Japan's seamless blend of ancient traditions, breathtaking landscapes, and futuristic innovation. Let's begin this incredible journey together. Day 1. Your adventure begins in Tokyo, the vibrant capital of Japan. Upon your arrival at Narita Airport, you'll be warmly welcomed and transferred to your hotel, where you can settle in and relax. In the evening, enjoy a delightful buffet dinner or a packed Indian meal, designed to give you a taste of comfort as you ease into the unique charm of Japan. Spend the night soaking in the energy of Tokyo as you prepare for the excitement that lies ahead. Day 2. Begin your exploration of Tokyo with a visit to the magnificent Imperial Palace, where you can admire its stunning architecture and peaceful surroundings. Continue your journey to the historic Asakusa Temple, also known as Sensoji, and explore the bustling Nakamai's shopping street filled with traditional snacks and souvenirs. Head to the Tokyo Skytree, where you'll be treated to breathtaking panoramic views from its 350-meter observation deck. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing digital art exhibits at Team Lab Borderless and explore the futuristic Odaiba district. Conclude your day with a scenic Sumida River cruise before indulging in a delicious Indian dinner. Day 3. Discover the beauty of cherry blossoms at Ueno Park, a popular spot for hanami, or flower viewing. Stroll through Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden, where the vibrant colors of the sakura trees will leave you spellbound. Visit the tranquil Meiji Shrine, a serene escape in the heart of Tokyo. Experience the bustling energy of Shibuya Crossing and take a photo with the iconic Hachiko statue. Participate in a traditional Japanese tea ceremony, learning the delicate art of matcha preparation. End the day with some retail therapy in Akihabara, Tokyo's hub for electronics and anime culture. Day 4. Journey to Mount Fuji, Japan's tallest peak and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where you'll reach the 5th station for stunning views. Explore the volcanic landscapes of Oakodani Valley in Hakone, known for its active geothermal activity. Take an exhilarating ride on the Hakone Ropeway, offering incredible vistas of Mount Hakone and, on clear days, Mount Fuji itself. Relax on a scenic cruise across Lake Ashi, surrounded by lush greenery and tranquil waters. Return to Tokyo in the evening for a delicious dinner and a restful night. Day 5. Take a high-speed bullet train to Hiroshima, where history and culture come together. Visit the picturesque Miyajima Island, home to the iconic floating Torii Gate, a sight that seems to emerge from the water at high tide. Explore the serene Itsukashima Shrine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and soak in the island's peaceful atmosphere. Return to Hiroshima in the evening for dinner and an overnight stay. Day 6. Delve into Hiroshima's poignant past with a visit to the Peace Memorial Park and Museum, as well as the Atomic Bomb Dome, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience of humanity. Travel to Osaka, where you'll stop for a photo at the Grand Osaka Castle, a symbol of Japan's history and unification. Take in panoramic views of the city from the Umeda Sky Tower before concluding the day with a hearty dinner. Day 7. Start your day in Nara with a visit to the Deer Park, where gentle deer roam freely. Explore the Todiji Temple and marvel at the massive bronze Buddha statue. Travel to Kyoto to see the Golden Pavilion, a stunning temple surrounded by serene gardens and a reflective pond. Walk through the enchanting Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, a tranquil and picturesque spot that feels like stepping into another world. Return to Osaka in the evening, where you'll enjoy your final dinner in Japan. Day 8. As your unforgettable journey comes to an end, enjoy a final breakfast before heading to the airport for your flight home. From Tokyo's vibrant streets to Kyoto's serene temples and Nara's timeless charm, we hope you take with you cherished memories of Japan. Thank you for experiencing the magic of Japan with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible travel journeys. Until next time, happy travels.